Julian, you are 11 months old today. It's July 2nd, 2013. July 2nd, 2013. You're 11 months old today. What do you have to say? Okay, that's it? Okay. Julian, you'll be 1 year old in 1 month. Wow, you're growing up so fast. Yay! Hi. Uh-oh, you fell down. You did. Daddy's at work. He'll be back in a little bit. Done? Okay, love you. Love you. Toys everywhere.